Alright.
My strawberry kisses, I could fly through the wind.
Hi everyone, it's me Dovani. I am back with another video for you guys. Yes, you guys. So this video is going to be me talking about this beautiful piece of art. This wig from Xrsbeauty. Like literally one of the best wigs I've ever had in my life, y'all. I'm not even kidding. I'm not even kidding. Like you guys see that? Fresh out of the packaging. It looks like I didn't do anything. I didn't bleach no knots. I didn't pluck no hairs, nothing. It literally came like that. So I'm going to be talking about it in their new revolutionary clear lace. So I applied this well, but I feel like I could have applied it better. But I use it on the daily as a glueless wig and it works. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all know what's going on. So I'm going to be comparing the laces. This is a traditional brown lace. It looks darker on some people, you know what I mean? So it doesn't really work. And then the transparent lace, y'all see how thick it is. Thick. And y'all have to put makeup on it. But for their new clear lace, y'all see it's thin and it blends in. Like, where is it, bro? Where is this? Is fresh out of the packaging. I was storing my Snapchat. Go follow me on Snapchat. Hey, Stevani, with 3 E's. And literally, look at that. Look at that. So the packaging is so cute. It looks like a Louis box. And so I'm gonna be putting it on with regular Got To Be, but later on I take that glue off and I basically put this as a glueless wig. I think this wig will be best worn as a glueless wig because it's literally like incorporated into my life. Like that's how I grew my edges back from doing this. So some more information about this wig is that it is 24 inches and it rises me right underneath my chest area. It is 200% density. Is it a 13 by 6 clear lace and clean hairline wig? The link will be in the description box. I know the price is kind of high, but it is super worth it, y'all. Like, I've been wearing this wig for about 2 months as a glueless wig, and it's just totally worth it. Like, I get told that, like, it's literally giving scalp, and, like, I'm like, yeah, I know. And then I have a 15% off coupon for you guys. It's XRS188. It will expire 7 days after I post this video, so make sure y'all tap in and get this great deal. So without further ado, I'm gonna let you guys keep watching this video and I'm gonna come back with it closing and you guys will see the final results. After putting some final little makeup touches, I really should have cut in the lace a little bit more. I feel like it would have given me a more blended feel, but from a good feet away, it looks actually really good. It is one of the best wigs I've ever put on my scalp. I am so serious, and I'm not just saying that. But I think you guys should really tap in and invest in this wig. Definitely worth it, y'all. Like, whoa, yeah, I don't understand. I've been wearing this wig for 2 months. And yeah, XRS, your natural hair. This is basically my scalp. I grew this out of my scalp. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go check out the links in the description box. And y'all see me wearing a glueless? Yeah. Y'all already know the vibes. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.